Hey friend, welcome to Medicinal Monday. Have you ever felt like your anxiety is just loud? Like your nervous system is stuck in a loop and you can't find the off switch? I want you to hear this. It might not be that you're bad at relaxing. It might be that your nervous system is doing exactly what it learned to do in survival mode. Today, I'm going to show you how to use a simple herb, lemon balm, to help you find that calm. I use it every night. I mix lemon balm and chamomile and I have it in my tea. So I want to share this important herb with you. So remember the bread video that I did a couple weeks ago? I mentioned how I pair my nightly routine with a cup of tea to anchor my nervous system. So many of you ask, what was in it? Lemon balm, from my garden to my kitchen. That is a staple for me. It's a nervine herb, which basically means it talks directly to your nervous system to tell it we're safe. It supports the GABA, the calming neurotransmitters your body naturally produce. So I did show you how I make that tea in that bread video. I think it's called something about I made Allie's homemade bread and it's super easy or something. So it's in the I think it's in the Medicinal Monday from 2 weeks ago. So check that out if you're interested in that. So what I do is I take fresh or dried lemon balm. In the winter I just have dried, and I add a little chamomile like I showed, and then I steep it for a good 10 minutes or even more. I like to make it nice and stronger, get all those herbal benefits. That's it. No expensive supplements, just kitchen pharmacy. And I drink this not only every night or if my thoughts are spinning. It's a tiny hit of safety and satisfaction. I also like to add a little bit of, I'm growing fresh stevia, so I'll add some fresh stevia leaves too, just for a little hint of sweetness. If you want to move from survival mode to grounded calm, you have to start treating your kitchen like your medicine cabinet. My new Kitchen Cure app has a whole module of exactly how to pair these teas with your daily flow. The link is in the description, as well as the Amazon link to my newest book, The Nervous System First Aid Kit. And this gives several recipes from the kitchen for your body. And the Cortisol Detox Kitchen Guide. This was my first book, and you can get both of these on Amazon. Just search for the title and Trina's Humble Homestead, and they should come right up, or click the link in the description below. And then come tell me back in the comments, what herb is your go-to for calm? Like I said, my staples are lemon balm and chamomile. Not only are they delicious, but even just the smell of that lemon balm, just like, it's like a big hug and a deep breath all at the same time. So yeah, anyway, thanks so much everybody. Thanks for watching. Thanks for asking about how I make my tea. And like I said, it's in that bread video. So go ahead and look at that. And I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Be blessed. And remember that your healing can start right from your kitchen. All right, everyone. Bye.